I just made another sale. And I did it thanks to Lusha, which helps you search less and sell more by instantly filtering and connecting you to ideal prospects for free. Because whether you're in sales or marketing, finding those perfect clients out of 8 billion people takes time. Time you just can't waste on irrelevant calls. Mom, I'm trying to make a point here. You see, life is a commission-based competition. And if you won't make that sale, someone else will.
97. Shouldn't have gone to gymnastics camp.
So how do you take over and become the best salesperson? Introducing Lusha, the easiest, most accurate way to sort and reach your dream prospects. If only my dating app worked this well. Simply sign up for free and choose your preferences like location, company size, title, or even revenue. And voila, your ideal clients with the highly recommended ones at the top. Sure, you can pull an all-nighter like Jerry here and search the web endlessly for contact details, only to discover these numbers haven't been updated since 2010. So you call their office only to realize everybody's been working from home since 2020. Hello? Oh, Marcus, it's for you. With Lusha, you get accurate and constantly updated business info. How updated? Jewish mom level updated. No, Mom, I don't want to see a picture of Uncle Larry's kidney stone. Mom, you're driving me insane. I'm not... But why stop there? Lusha lets you prospect everywhere. On LinkedIn, Gmail, or even B2B sites. I won!
Were we competing?
We're always competing! Yeah! So, if you want to search less and sell more, go to Lusha.com and join the party! Your dream clients at the click of a button. Lusha. Start prospecting like a boss. For free.